Hi guys, this is Orino and you are tuned in my channel. Please don't forget to hit the bell notification and subscribe button for my latest updates. First you're gonna do is open your browser and click search, type YouTube. You only need is find YouTube and open it and click cancel, because if you click open you will directly enter to the YouTube application. After that, you're gonna do is click your channel and then sign in, type your email and your password. If you are done now, click cancel. Here we go. Then hit your channel one more time. Click your channel and then if you see these three dots in the upper right corner, please choose desktop. Go to your video manager and then hit video manager and then choose channel, open it, hit branding, this. Now I currently have an branding watermark. Now I need to cancel, I need to remove to show you how to put on another one. Now my watermark was successfully deleted. Click add a watermark for a new one. Choose a new file, photo library, and then camera roll. I place my watermark in the camera roll. Choose one, this, and then save it. Click the save button again and then hit custom start time. Now it depends on you which do you want. I choose entire video. To see my branding watermark from the start of the video until to the end of the video, hit update. Now your branding watermark was successfully saved. Let's check my video into the YouTube application. Open YouTube application and then now click your channel. Click videos and then open this one. Now hit the full screen icon. As you can see, our watermark branding was appear here in the lower right corner here. Now if you play your entire video, this watermark will always here. If you have a question, please write it down below and please click subscribe and hit the bell notification.